Life on Earth relies on many things. Water, sunlight, and air are some. But have you ever thought about potassium? This element, found on the periodic table, is crucial for all living things. From the tiniest cells to the largest animals, potassium plays a vital role. It keeps our bodies functioning properly. Our bodies need potassium for many reasons. It helps our muscles move. It also helps our nerves send signals. Without potassium, our cells wouldn't be able to maintain the right balance of fluids. Potassium is a chemical element. Its symbol is K and its atomic number is 19. In its pure form, potassium is a silvery white metal. It is soft and can be easily cut with a knife. But don't let that fool you. Potassium is very reactive. When potassium comes into contact with water, it reacts violently. This reaction produces hydrogen gas, which can ignite. Potassium is never found in its pure form in nature. It always combines with other elements to form compounds. Potassium is essential for plant growth. Farmers use potassium-containing fertilizers to ensure healthy crops. These fertilizers replenish the potassium that plants take from the soil. Without enough potassium, plants become weak and susceptible to diseases. Potassium also plays a significant role in industry. Potassium hydroxide, a compound of potassium, is used in making soap. Potassium carbonate is used in glass making. Other potassium compounds are found in fertilizers, detergents, and even some types of explosives. We obtain potassium through our diet. Many foods are rich in this vital mineral. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content. Other fruits like oranges, melons, and apricots are also good sources. Vegetables like spinach, potatoes, and sweet potatoes are packed with potassium. Including a variety of these foods in our diet ensures we consume enough potassium. This mineral helps our bodies thrive and perform at their best. So, next time you see a banana, remember its hidden power, the power of potassium.